you found a website that you really like, maybe you like some sections, the layout, some elements on that website, and you wish you could copy some parts of it over to Figma so you don't have to build your own designs from scratch, then this video is for you, because most people that I know don't actually like to start designs from scratch. You want to have an existing design and then edit it. So I'll show you exactly how to copy any website at all into a fully editable Figma design. And we're not going to stop there. I'm actually going to show you how to use Figma Make to edit that design to be whatever you want it to be. But before we jump in, I need to mention this. I'm not showing you this so that you can copy or steal someone else's work. No, I'm showing you for inspiration purposes and to help you recreate your own designs faster, to help you create prototypes faster. So let's jump into it. So I'll be using the Figma Chrome extension. So the first thing you want to do is to go over to the Chrome web store, and this is it right here. So now you want to search for Figma. This is the extension you want to add. So you click on it, and now I can add to Chrome. Add extension. So it's going to ask you to log in with your credentials to Figma. So I'm going to do that quickly. The Figma extension has been added to Chrome. So one thing I will advise is to actually pin this extension. So I'm going to pin it right here. That's literally the setup for the Figma plugin that I'll be using to copy this website. So obviously the next thing is to find the website that you want to copy. For the purpose of this demo, I'll be using the Notion landing page. So I really like the layout and the use of colors of this Notion landing page. That's what we'll be copying over to Figma. So obviously you're going to click this plugin that you've installed right here. So it brings up the pop-up that tells you that you can capture a full page, or you can select elements that you want to copy. So I'm actually interested in copying this entire page over to Figma. It's literally going to take like a screenshot of everything, copy it over to your clipboard, and now you want to go over to Figma, wherever you want to paste this design, and just Ctrl V. So Ctrl V will paste this into your Figma canvas. And this is what we have right here. So this is the Notion page that has been added over to Figma. So let's check it out. You see the elements right here are editable. The text is editable. This image avatar group is editable. This image is editable. Literally everything is editable. You probably notice some elements on this page aren't accurate or perfectly placed. For example, this agent's text could have been on the next line. So I'm actually going to make some modifications. Select the font as Inter. I'm going to replace the font. So right now I can change it and add this right here. There we go. So this is what you do if you need to make edits or tweaks to what Figma has already converted for you. But this is definitely a good starting point. So right now I have this website in Figma and it's fully editable. But remember I told you that you don't just want to copy someone else's website as your own. You want to make edits. So to help us make these edits, we're going to be using Figma Make. So I have a video on Figma Make where I run you through exactly how to use Figma Make, what it's all about. So you may want to check this for reference. So send this design to Figma Make. You want to make sure that you've selected the design, right? So you want to come right here to where you have actions on your Figma menu bar. So click on this. And now you can see send this design to Figma Make. So you select this. Figma Make is going to copy the entire design that we had and paste it into this prompt box. And now you can add in a prompt to tweak this design. So I'm going to give it this prompt that says maintain the same layout and elements, but make this into a modern AI startup landing page for a company called Dots that helps developers build full stack applications with AI. So I'm also giving it further instructions on the branding, the copy, and all of that. So I'm going to send this in. So what we have here is the results, what Figma Make has actually created for us. So let's go through how it's thought about all of this. So you can see that the sections are matching the Notion layout structure. So it's used Notion in the reference for this page. So it says the sticky nav is matching Notion. So let's see what the navigation in Notion looks like. Okay, so we have a centered navigation. Obviously, this is not just a landing page. This is the website, so you can see links to other pages. But for us, we have, a simple navigation at the top here the hero is a bold headline. In Notion, you see that this is a bold headline. So if you continue checking out everything, you see that it's actually used elements and layout patterns from Notion. So I'm actually going to preview this so we can see how it looks like properly. Cool, so this is the design on a full screen, and we see that it looks very identical to Notion, but obviously no one can tell that Notion was the reference for this landing page. But you notice that the elements still stay the same. The nav is at the center, the use of the full fonts for the headline, the placement of the buttons, this big centered screenshot is right here, this logo strip. So we have different logos right here. We have the use of cards. This is just amazing. The fact that Figma Make could modify this. And now, obviously, when we deploy this, this should be like tab sections that show more features of this product. We have testimonial section right here, pricing section, and FAQ, and the final footer. So this is pretty much it. We use the Figma plugin to copy the website that we like into Figma. And then we took it a step further by using the Figma Make to make edits to this design to give us this exact result. You can definitely go ahead to keep prompting Figma Make till you get your desired result. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. My name is Esther, and on this channel I teach you how to work faster and smarter using AI tools. I'll see you in the next one.